hope you guys are doing well. So I am back with another Linux command line video for beginners, and today we are going to be discussing about the less command. So basically the less command helps you to read any content or file you would want to read. Now I will explain it in much better that what is the difference between cat and less in this video only. So without any further talking, let's get started. So as you can see, I am in downloads right now, and in downloads I have a txt file that is big.txt that we're gonna mainly focus on today. So in this big.txt there is a lot of information, and suppose I want to see what is the content of all this in this big.txt. So we already know how to do that is cat and then the file name. If you have not watched the cat video, you can go and watch now for better clarity in this video. So cat big.txt. So as you can see, it is like a lot of information, and you are like at the bottom line, so continuously scrolling up. The terminal won't allow you to scroll up after a specific scrolling up. So what will you do in that case is that simply, first let me clear the terminal, and what will you do in these cases is that your file is even bigger than the big.txt, so it will not let you scroll up to maximum limit. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna write less, and then you're gonna be giving your file name, which is for my case big.txt. And so what it does is that this is the beginning line of the file that big.txt. And if you finish reading this and you want to scroll down, you can click the down arrow and you will go one line by line, and you can just read and again go to the next line or such. So like this. And suppose you want to go upwards and you want to read what was before this, so you can just click the up arrow just like that. So it's very easy, and you can control it in a more precise way if you use less in for these big files. And if you it will be more precise, and it will also help you go through the data in the file, because it's a vast file and you need some organization to be very precise with it and to know what is in the file. So now suppose you want to browse through this page by page and not line by line. So if you want to go downwards page by page, it's simple. What you have to do, you just have to press the space key like this, and you will go down page by page. And so suppose now you want to go upwards page by page. So how you're gonna do that is you're simply either gonna type capital B, or simply you're gonna press the B key. So to do that like this. And so now if you want to go page by page down, the space key, and if you're going to go up page by page, the B key. And now suppose I want to go to the end of the file directly. So how am I going to do that is I am going to be pressing capital G. So capital G means Shift G, and as you can see, I have come at the end of the file. Now I have come at the end of the file by pressing Shift G or capital G. Now how am I going to go back up at the top? So how am I going to do that is I'm going to be writing 1 and then small g. Or you can also do another thing, that is, let me just go to the bottom by clicking capital G, and to go up you can either use 1G or you can simply use the small g key and you will go up again. So that's how it works. So let's just revise these keys again. So if you want to go down page by page, you can just click the space key. And if you want to go up page by page, you can click the capital B or simply the B key. If you want to go down line by line, you can click the down arrow. If you want to go up line by line, you can click the up arrow. And if you want to directly go to the bottom of the file, you're gonna click Shift G or capital G. And if you want to go back up at the front of the file, you're gonna click either one small g or simply small g, and you're gonna have it. So now suppose you want to search according to a specific keyword in this big file. So how you're gonna do that is that you're gonna type in slash, and then you're gonna be typing in the keyword you are searching for, which in my case here will be Roman. So, and as you can see, it is highlighting all the Roman keywords that is here. So like Roman, and like wherever it is Roman written. So if you want to go to the next one, you can just click N and it will take you to the next one again. And then again, if you click N, you're gonna go there. And so you're gonna keep clicking N, and it's gonna show you in the areas where there is Roman and the keyword you are searching for. And so like, you know, after this happens, like this Roman, these two Romans are the end of it. And so after that, it's gonna show you like this pattern not found, press return, because like this is the last Roman and there is no more keyword Roman in this file. This is basically the end of the file. So now suppose you want to go from like bottom to up searching the keyword. So what you're gonna do in that case is that you're gonna press a question mark, and then you're gonna write your keyword, which is Roman, and then you will just see, you know, this like this Roman is the end of it itself. So if you just go up and like click N, you're gonna go upwards in the Roman keywords. So as you can see, it is going upwards like this. And so now suppose like that was it, and now so you want to quit the less file. So how you're gonna do that is you're gonna just write Q and you have it. So hope you guys liked the video. If you like, please do share and subscribe it to more of your friends. And if you want to know more about the less command, you can always do man and less, and you will get all the options and commands that you can do with less. So hope you guys like the video again, and please do click the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and comment. If you have any query about if I'm right or wrong, please feel free to write in the comment section, because I'm also learning and I can make mistakes. So like just write in the comments box, and I'm gonna try to clarify the doubt as much as possible. So thank you for watching.